mathematicians, in this video we're going to learn how to solve systems of equations algebraically. A system of equations is when we have two or more equations. Here we have two equations. And when it says algebraically, that means not by graphing. We have to solve an equation. Our solution is still going to be the point of intersection, but we have to find it a different way. One way we can solve systems of equations algebraically is by substituting. You might know the word substitute from soccer when a player goes out and another player goes in instead of them. So this player, number 34, is leaving the game, and number 20 is replacing them. Number 20 is substituting for this player. So we're going to substitute as well in our equations. So we have y equals 6x. And in our second equation, we also have a y. Since we have y equal to 6x, in this equation, we can have y substitute with 6x. So instead of y, we're going to write 6x because these two are equal. So I'm going to write 6x. These were substituted equals 5x plus 7. Now I need to solve this equation. But we've done this before in a previous unit. We want to get our variables to one side. So I'm going to subtract 5x on both sides, so that all my variables will be on the left. 6x minus 5x is 1x equals, these will cancel, and I have 7. We could divide both sides by 1. I know a lot of people like to do that just to make sure. Or we can just say it will be the same. So x equals 7. Now remember, a solution for a system is a point. We need both the x and the y. So we're going to take this x value and substitute it back into our first equation to get the value of y. If our first equation is y equals 6x, we're going to take this x and substitute it with our answer. So if our x is 7, instead of x, we'll write 7. Everything else will stay the same. Now, when we have parentheses, that means multiply. We're doing 6 multiplied by x, and now we're doing 6 multiplied by 7. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. So if I'm going to write my solution as a point, we're going to say the solution is 7, 42. So this is my solution. This is my point that makes both equations true. Good luck on the next question.